Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to answer a question for you, that being, do all credit bureaus have the same information or different reports? Now, once you focus on this, you'll see that all three major credit bureaus, that being Experian, Equifax and TransUnion, don't always have the same exact information or reports. It could be different, it could vary depending. Creditors don't always report to all three bureaus. They can report to different bureaus, for example, and the information they do report may not be updated at the same time. So due to these slight differences, all credit bureaus might not have the same information. They would have different information. And this can lead to slight differences in credit scores and reports between the bureaus, even though they are all based on the same underlying data. The reasons for this could be that not all creditors report to all bureaus, as I mentioned before. Some lenders could basically report to any one or two of the three major credit bureaus instead of reporting to all three. This can lead to differences. Apart from that, the information reporting timing can also vary because creditors report data to the bureaus at different times, so one bureau may have more up-to-date information than another, which can also lead to differences. Apart from that, unique information, that being one bureau might having to save information about a consumer that the others don't. This can also lead to differences. And apart from that, the public records also create a difference in the information and the reports because credit bureaus also collect data from the public records like bankruptcy court filings, which can vary between bureaus. So all of these reasons show that they have different information, they have different reports, and it's not the same. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.